I'm going to show you how to make a propeller shooter. It will launch at least 3 times higher than spin by hand. Let's go! I will show you how to wind it up. Put your string near the bottom half of the straw and start winding up. Make sure not to overlap. We do it in the bottom because when it's in the straw, it will lift up. The rope will lift up the propeller. Like this. You put it in, it will go up and then fly. I'll show you. And go! That went pretty high, but not as far. It's right here. Here it is. We are at Macquarie University. That is the Macquarie University Sport and Swimming Pool. They're doing some construction over there, so it might be a bit noisy. Whoa. From far away, this looks like a play set of ladders. It's pretty big. I think it's a statue or something. But you get a pretty nice view from here. I want to show you guys this bridge that I think is really cool. But you can go up and then you can see the other side. There's also some nice little birds. We saw them across off camera. We saw these birds. They're pink and white. Mostly pink and white and grey. A bit of black. I think I see a bit of black. Very cute. But also, looks like there's a flock of them. Looks like they traveled in a flock. And there's also another one. I'll show you the water fountain. It's very big. Let's go. Come. Over there is a water fountain. Is the other bridge. There's a table there. We have a picnic. You can walk across this bridge. Look at that. Big waterfall. Very big one. Not like a water fountain dripping thing. And it looks like, come down and look at the bridge. It's this coming from around. You can hop on these rocks. Look at that, I can see it underneath the bridge. And there's actually 3 stable. And over here is more of a wet rock. There's more on this side where a bunch of ducks. Most of them are black ducks though. You can see them just pecking in the water. Most of the ducks are laying out down on the other side. Look at that black duck. Look at it. So cute. Ooh, there's a bunch of them there. They're all gathering up. There's a horde of them. Look over there. Oh, they're all going in. You can really hear it. It's a bunch of noise. It's really loud there. Oh, they just come boop, into the water to drink some water. Oh my god! There's so many ducks. They're just going in a straight line, following the ibis. Yeah, that's a duck, right? Yeah. One leg. It has one leg only. Why does it only have one? You can see its other leg flopping around. Oh my god, it's a one-legged duck. Would you look at that? So sad. It only has one leg to hop on, but everybody else is just like, run, let's go, run! And he's just hopping. At least he can swim still. Oh look, it's like a purple thing. Let's go! It's fun to try to catch it in the air. I caught it! I caught it! I caught it! Yes! I caught it! First try! Let's see how it's made. But you might need some help from a grown-up. These are the materials used. 1. A propeller with a straw. 2. A metal ring or a hexagon nut. 3. A larger straw that the smaller straw can fit in. You need to leave some room for some string as well. So the diameter should be around 1 centimeter. 4. A string around 40 centimeters long. 5. Hot glue. Measure and ensure that the metal ring or hexagon nut is the same size as the diameter of the large straw. Measure the large straw against the small one. It should be around 2/3 of the smaller straw. Cut the straw to size. Remember, scissors are sharp and be careful when cutting. Glue the metal ring or hexagon nut at one end of this large straw. You might need an adult to stick it with hot glue. Tie a loop knot at one end and wind the other loose end to the straw as shown earlier. Gently pull the string to launch the propeller and have fun. I'm going to try catching the propeller. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will certainly share more cool DIY toys to come and show you around Sydney. Thanks for watching this video till the end. It's time to go. Bye. See you in the next video.